Today we start equation of uniformly accelerated motion by graphical method. আজকে আমরা ইউনিফর্মলি স্লেটেড মোশনের ইকুয়েশনগুলো বাইর করব গ্রাফিক্যাল মেথডের হেল্পে। নাও what is the meaning of uniform acceleration? If the change of velocity are equal in equal interval of time, then the acceleration is said to be uniform. Now, this is the graph AB. This graph AB represent straight line. This is the velocity time graph. This is the velocity time graph. This graph represent straight line. Straight line means the slope of the graph is constant. The slope of the graph is constant. It means this graph represent uniform motion. Now, which physical quantity is uniform here? Here the uniform is velocity or acceleration. Because it is the graph of velocity and time, and the slope of the graph represent acceleration. Hence, in this graph, acceleration is constant. Now, first we consider when the time is zero, that is initial, our velocity is u. This is initial velocity. And after time t, the velocity is v. And the nature of the graph is straight line. Straight line graph means the motion is uniform accelerated motion. Now, we establish one by one equation. The first equation is equation of velocity and time. This is our first equation. We know that the slope of the velocity time graph is a represent acceleration. So acceleration A is slope of the graph. AB, which is straight line. So what is the slope of the graph? You know, tan theta. What is tan theta? This perpendicular by base, that is BC by AC. So what is BC? This is velocity V and this is U. Therefore BC means V minus U. And AC means AC is equal to this. So it is equal to T. That is T minus 0. Finally it is V minus T. And our answer become V is equal to U plus AT. This equation is known as velocity time relation in uniformly accelerated motion. Now, our second relation is displacement time. Second relation is displacement time relation. Now, in the velocity time graph, we know that the area under velocity time graph with time axis represent what? Displacement. Therefore, displacement is equal to what? Area under velocity time graph with time axis. The area under velocity time graph with time axis means that. So this is the area, full area. So what is the meaning? Displacement is as area of a triangle ABC plus area of rectangle, which one? OACD OACD. The area under velocity time graph with time axis represent displacement at that instant of time. That is why this is the area of triangle and this is the area of rectangle. So what is the area of triangle? Half base. Base means AC into height BC plus area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length into breadth OA into OD. So what is the result? Half. What is AC? AC means T. AC means T. And what is BC? What is BC? This is represent V minus U. This is represent how much? V minus U. Plus OA represent what? T. OA represent U and OD represent T. This is UT. Now V minus U half into V minus U represent what? You know that A is equal to V minus U by T. So V minus U represent what? V minus U represent AT into T plus UT. And the final result becomes UT plus half AT square. This relation is known as displacement time relation. Now our third relation is velocity displacement relation. Velocity displacement, this is our third relation. Again we know that the area under velocity time graph in a uniformly accelerated motion where acceleration is constant is equal to displacement. We again repeat, displacement in a certain interval of time t is equal to area under velocity time graph with time axis. This is displacement is equal to what? Area under velocity time graph AB with time axis. And this is equal to, in this case, area of trapezium OABD. This is the trapezium. So what is the formula of trapezium? Area half sum of the two parallel side OA plus BD and separation between them is equal to OD. This is the area of trapezium, half sum of the two parallel sides and the separation between the two sides. Now put the values. Half OA means U, BD means V, and OD means time. Now what is time? V minus U by A. You put it V plus U, V minus U by what? A. Now it is 1 by twice A, and it is formula become V square minus U square, A plus B, A minus B. And finally our result is V square minus U square is equal to twice S, and V square is equal to U square plus twice S. So these are the relation for uniformly accelerated motion. We can establish by graphical method. In another method by integration. And both the method we discuss one by one anyway. Now we also discuss some possibilities of the graph. The graph is correct or not, if this is position and this is time, if this is position, this is time, and graph is like this graph is like this. This is position, this is time graph. Now the question is, this is O, this is positive value of position, this is negative value of position. This graph is possible or not? Your answer is no. Because, what is the reason? Because here the position is negative, here the position is negative, and the distance is never negative. Distance is never negative, so this type of graph is never possible. Now, if it is a graph, here is a speed, here is the time, and the graph is like this. Graph is like this. Is it possible? Again your answer is no, because this value represents negative. Speed is never negative. Speed is always positive quantity. Like this, some graph given in our examination, question is like this, is it possible or not? Okay.